Cooking made easy. Check out the 5 must-have Amazon kitchen tools every home chef needs. Number 1. If you love cooking but hate peeling grapes, garlic, or cherry tomatoes by hand, this gadget is going to change your kitchen life. This is the electric grape peeling machine, an automatic garlic peeler, a rechargeable, all-in-one tool that makes food prep quick and effortless. With just one touch, it peels grapes, cherry tomatoes, garlic, and other small fruits in seconds. No mess, no hassle, just clean, ready-to-use ingredients every single time. It's compact, safe, and built with food-grade materials, so you can trust it for everyday use. Whether you're making fresh salads, pasta sauce, or garlic seasoning, this gadget will save you time and energy. So if you're in the US and looking for a smart kitchen hack, grab yours today. The link is in the description. Number 2. Tired of spending forever chopping veggies? Check out the Mueller vegetable chopper and mandolin slicer, the kitchen gadget everyone's talking about. With sharp interchangeable blades, it chops, slices, dices, and grates in seconds. Onions, cheese, cucumbers, carrots, you name it, this tool does it fast. No more watery eyes, no more messy counters. The built-in container keeps everything neat and ready to cook. Perfect for meal prep, family dinners, or healthy snacks, this chopper saves you time and effort every single day. Upgrade your kitchen today with the Mueller vegetable chopper. Number 3. Baking at home just got a serious upgrade. Meet the Bella 3.5 QT hand blender and stand mixer, a 2-in-1 kitchen essential designed to save you time and effort. With a powerful 200-watt motor, this compact mixer does it all: whisking fluffy cream, beating eggs, mixing cake batter, and even kneading fresh bread dough. It comes with everything you need: a dough hook, whisk, egg beater, and a sturdy mixing bowl. So whether you're baking cookies, bread, or desserts, you're always ready. The best part, you get 2 mixers in one. Use it as a stand mixer for hands-free convenience, or detach it as a hand mixer when you need quick flexibility. Perfect for home bakers, small kitchens, or anyone who loves fresh, homemade treats. The Bella mixer is stylish, efficient, and built to last. Don't wait. Upgrade your kitchen with the Bella hand and stand mixer today. Available. Number 4. Tired of uneven seasoning? Upgrade your kitchen with the electric salt and pepper grinder set, the modern way to season your food. With 2-speed settings, you can choose between fine or fast grinding for any recipe. And with 5 adjustable coarseness levels, your steaks, salads, and pastas get the perfect texture every time. No more fumbling with batteries. The rechargeable base keeps your grinders powered up, and the battery display lets you know exactly when it's ready. Plus, the LED light ensures you see every sprinkle, even in low-light kitchens. Made with durable stainless steel, these grinders are sleek, stylish, and built to last. Whether you're cooking for family, entertaining guests, or just love fresh ground flavor, this set makes seasoning effortless and precise. Upgrade your kitchen today with the electric salt and pepper grinder set, available now on Amazon. Number 5. Tired of struggling with bell peppers and jalapenos? Meet the 3-pack pepper seed corer remover, your ultimate 2-in-1 kitchen gadget. Core, slice, and prep your peppers in seconds. No mess, no fuss. Perfect for salads, stir-fries, stuffed peppers, and more. Upgraded for 2025, these corers are durable, easy to grip, and safe for home use. Save time and make meal prep effortless. Grab your 3-pack pepper seed corer remover today. And that's it, the top 5 Amazon kitchen tools that make cooking faster, easier, and more fun. If you love these gadgets, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest kitchen hacks and product reviews.